Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the price of Polkadot. You can see right now we're at $19.94. In the last year, it's been a very rough year for Polkadot if we take a look at the just price alone. However, if we look into the Polkadot parachain auctions and a lot of other things going on behind the scenes, Polkadot's continuing to build strength. If we take a look at the last 24-hour period, about a 5 to 6% increase coming from about $18.80 or $18.61. We're seeing this 1994 or $20 push, which is definitely going to give us a bullish momentum into the next couple of months. If we take a look at the last week, about a 14.4% increase. The last month, a 23.54% increase for Polkadot. So if you guys were able to buy low, and I continued to talk about that low price point that you could buy at as about $15, $16, you're going to have a nice little profit already. I do want to jump, though, into some of the big things going on with Polkadot and talk a little bit about price predictions at the end of today's video. So the first thing we're going to jump into is going to be a tweet from Polkadot. Congratulations to Equilibrium DeFi on winning Polkadot's 12th auction. Equilibrium was immediately onboarded over the weekend during Lease 7. Over 900 network stakeholders locked up DOT in favor. So this is absolutely huge. Sometimes we are, kind of seeing some struggles across the board with crypto when it comes to prices. Polkadot's actually been doing fairly well in this last month, and we saw that here of a 23 to 24% increase, and that's because a lot of people are excited about what Polkadot brings to the crypto space. We have use cases, we have utility, we have reasons they're here. As we jump on to the next one, we see there is another article talking about how there is a breakout potential for Solana, Polkadot, and VeChain. And I want to jump through really the targets of this article. So DOT is ready to be sent back to $23, close above the 1940 to confirm. So we have really a huge potential here to continue to close above 1940 and keep that resistance, and then potentially keep our support at 1940 and then break our resistance at $23. There's a lot of potential here in the next, like I said, a couple of weeks to see where Polkadot could continue to climb to. I want to jump into another article, but before we do so, guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on as we do so much daily updates on crypto here. Yesterday was, I think, Cardano. The day before was maybe Chainlink. The day before that, I think we did Polkadot. So we're going to give you daily updates on crypto, so continue to stay up to date, like I said, by following me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT, and then also subscribing to the YouTube channel that you are currently on and liking the video. As we jump to the next article, though, this one's a big one. VC firms becomes one of the first to establish Polkadot ecosystem fund. With the development of the decentralized internet underway, the time to support the building of Web 3.0 infrastructure is now. So we're continuing to see a ton of provided support for Polkadot, and we can see here. So Polkadot has actually continued to conduct ongoing parachain auctions tested on Kusama, and that will connect different blockchains, fulfilling one of the core principles of Web 3.0. Cross-network bridges farther ensure that parachains can connect to external networks, making them original in design and capable enough to adapt to specific use cases. Investment firms with capital provisions are crucial to farther define these use cases. And by the way, with more investment comes a greater basis for usability or really usable products, which in turn spurs on greater opportunities. So Polkadot is actually bringing opportunities to this space and to their coin and their platform altogether. And that's exactly what we want to see. Obviously, as the VC firm becomes one of the first to establish Polkadot ecosystem fund, we're continuing to grow in the right direction. I want to jump over to one more article real quick, and that's going to be FX Street, and talk a little bit about the price momentum. But before we do so, guys, there is something I want to tell you about. You guys have probably heard of it by now, but if you have not taken advantage of it, you're missing out. So buy, sell, and earn crypto with BlockFi. Up to 3.5% back in crypto on every purchase. It's literally free crypto. You'll start your crypto portfolio without even having to really try. Just go out and spend with the BlockFi rewards card, and you'll get 3.5% credit back. We also see over $15 million in crypto paid in rewards today and no annual fees. So jump down into the description of today's video. Use my BlockFi link below. It'll give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up for the first time, and is definitely worth checking out. I want to jump, though, back over to FX Street. So Polkadot price needs a breather before a 30% rally. A 30% rally would be absolutely huge for Polkadot. We've already seen a decent chunk of that rally potentially in this last 24 hours of about 5 to 6%. But what does FX Street really talk about here? Well, they talk about how Polkadot price sweeps range high at 1958, suggesting a potential retracement to 1681. This pullback is necessary for DOT to trigger a 30% rally to $22. Well, guys, we may have just skipped out on that retracement. And if we can actually reach up to $22, stabilize above $22, $23, we are going to see a very, very bullish Polkadot coming out of the next couple of weeks and months ahead. Like I said, there is a lot of potential behind Polkadot. It's just all about getting the price and really kind of the support we need to continue to push farther. A 4-hour candlestick close below 1404 will invalidate the bullish thesis. So we're nowhere near $14 at the moment, so that's definitely a good thing and a good sign. But I do want to jump over to the actual, let's see here, the chart and take a look at the 1 month. We are using Coinbase, by the way, charts, trying to keep it easy and simple for you beginners to really understand what's fully taking place in these videos. But if we go to the 1 year, we can see a 44% decrease. We talked about this before. However, we actually dropped much lower in the last drop. So 1143 was our July 19th, 2021 drop. And then this drop kind of bottomed out around $16 for Polkadot on this February drop. So we're seeing the different drops. Obviously, higher lows is always something we like to look for. And if we take a look at the all-time, that's exactly what we got. We got a higher low and potentially a higher high of $55. So my bullish thesis for this one is we are going to see potentially Polkadot rise up to $80 to $120 by the end of this year if we do get back into a bull run. It's looking like we definitely could as well. If you guys see here, if this is our new bottom of $15 to $16 for Polkadot, we're going to be looking at a very, very nice reversal in the next couple of months. We'll continue to see this probably across the entire market if this does happen for Polkadot, so keep that in mind. Thank you guys again for tuning in. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on as we keep you guys up to date here every single day with new and new crypto videos and new crypto content. But I want to jump over to Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. So we do have some giveaways going on right now, and I try to keep you guys all in the loop. And one of the big things I want to talk about is companies hiring for crypto jobs. We've talked about this. NFL, Nike, Hulu, Visa, Meta, Apple, Nvidia, Disney, PayPal, Google, Fidelity, Amazon, Microsoft, JP Morgan, MasterCard, State Street, Goldman Sachs, and Bank of America. These are all huge, huge, huge companies hiring for crypto. They know crypto is coming. They know it's going to continue to be a huge topic in the next 5 to 10 years. I think this is going to be an obvious reason for a lot of you guys to stay involved with crypto, continue to learn, understand that I'm not a financial advisor, and invest in coins that make sense to you. Dollar cost average in. This is the time that a lot of people can become rich. At these low price points, low market caps, some coins are still sneaking up, some are sneaking down. Find the ones trending in the right direction. I'm here to help you with that. I do want to say, guys, we do also have a giveaway going on. So if somehow Chainlink can hit $25 by the end of March, I will actually be giving away 1,000 links. So retweet and follow this tweet to actually be entered on that 1,000 link giveaway. Thank you guys again, like I said, for tuning in. I really do appreciate your awesome support during this potential bull market reversal. It's going to be a very, very fun crypto market to watch. So stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next one.